People, Mosha from Mosha Reggae Lounge with another Jamaican named Shell. Him own a YouTube channel, video named, what is the name of the
Full Stop.
Full Stop. So this man own a YouTube channel, first time in Mosha Reggae Lounge. I make him some of my Rasta reggae down sauce and fish and festival. So tell the people about yourself, my brethren, and where you from.
I'm from Washington, D.C.
Yeah.
Yeah, first time here.
Yeah.
Having some of this great fish.
It's good?
It's very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Festivals, I'm kind of used to that from Jamaica.
But try my one and tell me, in front of the people them.
Right.
In front of the people them. You never try it because we want to know that me real.
Right.
Try it, my brother.
Oh, really good.
You see that?
Good.
You see that?
It's moist, it's good.
It's moist, right? I let him try it while I'm doing the video. I don't play no games with you people. Ask him how long he had to wait for the food.
Yeah, about an hour.
Okay, and because he was patient, I got the extra mile. I never usually cook it this way. This is a separate order. But the fish and this, I let him have that because he seemed like a cool, patient brother. That's the kind of people I like in my place.
Absolutely.
And so, what do you do again? Tell the people what you do.
So basically, I run a
Direct
YouTube
the people
channel.
to your channel, man.
Yeah, I run a YouTube channel where we do different events. We go different places, traveling. Come check us out at Full Stop. You'll love it.
And he says that what he's doing here now, he's trying to tell the difference between the Jamaican tourism and the Dominican tourism. Did you find anything else out? I'm going to speak to him when I'm done because I live here 8 years. What did you find out?
Well, I really like the atmosphere here.
Yeah.
I'll get more into details when
you get into
later,
it.
But right now, I'm loving the vibes. I'm loving the food where I am. MOSHA Reggae Lounge is the best so far.
Yeah, respect, my brother. Enough respect here?
Yeah, man.
All right, enough respect.